Government of India in the year 1995 came up with a unique idea of providing meals in the schools so that the children will be attracted by the meals. They will come to school and get educated.
Unfortunately, the government does not have enough resources to effectively give a good, nutritious meal to every child every day.
When they're hungry in school, they can't concentrate on their studies. And rather than sitting there wasting their time, they'd rather quit school to go out and beg.
खाना नहीं मिलता तो हम लोग नहीं जाते स्कूल.
Before the food started, there was at least 20-25 children used to come for studying, And now, as soon as that food was started down, now we have more than 200 children eating and studying here.
With a humble beginning of feeding 900 students on the first day, over the period of 9 years, ISKCON Food Relief Foundation now has 20 centers in different parts of India. And each day, each school working day, 12 lakh meals are cooked and served to the schools.
Our day starts very early in the morning. It's around 3:30 in the morning. The cauldrons are filled with water and the steam is opened and the water starts boiling, wherein we put the dal and other cereals. Approximately each cauldron is for 1800 children.
The main aim is to provide approximately 400 kilocalories and 12 grams of protein in that one particular meal.
Each day we serve them a different variety of khichdi in the sense that lentils are different, vegetables are different, spicing is different, the taste and the flavor is different, so the children do not get bored.
Our kitchen is an ISO certified kitchen, wherein we follow various quality management systems.
One of the most important aspects of this project is the standard of hygiene and cleanliness is at its topmost.
All the cooking staff, they are screened for various infections, especially the skin or respiratory disorders. And every 6 months, they need to be certified that they are physically fit.
The logistic challenge is that the lunch break in all these schools is at the same time. On an average, we cook 8.5 tons of rice every day. On an average, we cook 30 tons of khichdi every day, and this is distributed by 99 vehicles. It goes to 1,602 schools. We are talking only about Maharashtra. Just consider when this figure is translated into multiplying with all the centers in different parts of India. We are talking of feeding 12 lakh children day in and day out.
ISKCON has done a wonderful job. The quality is very good, their timings are very good, and they're there on the dot. Our experience with ISKCON has been marvelous. They're dedicated. They do not promise anything that they feel they cannot do. And we hope to be able to generate more funds from the corporate sector, because we want to make this program a program of those who speak about social responsibility.
We are deeply appreciative of the contribution made by this great movement. Just imagine, within a short span of time, today I am told ISKCON movement runs more than 600 temples all over the world. Every day in India, it provides food to 10 million children, healthy food. And the message of love, compassion,